To make a checklist on the Notes app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Note app. Tap New Note icon at the bottom right to create a new note. Write a title for your checklist. To start making checklists, tap the checkmark icon above the keyboard. The icon looks like a square with a checkmark inside. Next, write your first entry. Tap the Enter key to move to the next line and create the second checkbox. And then write your next entry. Repeat this step until you finish writing the last entry. Tap the checkmark icon to stop making checklists. To use your checklist, tap the checkbox next to the entry that you have done. The box will be checked and a strike through will be added on the entry to help you know that the entry has been done or finished. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.